Okay, hey guys, welcome back. So first of all, can we talk about how much I'm living for this like little sweatshirt my mom got me? Living. Okay. Moving on with life. I want to do an unboxing. And we can go through my mom's Valentine's Day gift to me too. I had lashes on. I don't know where they went. I am not that irresponsible. But they were bothering me and I took them off. Okay, so last video we played with the new Steelers. Update, I have used all of them. The green I like. The black I'm kind of like, nah. And the purple, I'm like, oh. But the green I like. Okay, we're going to get right into it. First up is Ipsy. This is this month's Ipsy bag. Has little kissies all over it. First item I'm pulling out is, okay, so actually real quick, I do have Ipsy Plus. It hasn't come in. It also says I'm not getting it even though I was billed for it. What the hell, Ipsy? Excuse my language. All right, anyway. First up is the Pixie Skin Treats Exfoliating Toner, and this is the Glow Tonic. I've never used this, so I'm kind of excited. It's sealed, so that's good. I'll use this tomorrow. It smells minty. Do you eucalyptus in this? Doesn't say. I love it when it does that. Okay, so it smells like it has eucalyptus in it. Next up, we have a double-ended blending brush from Aisling Organics. We have a nice little flat brush on this end. Nice little brushy brush on that end. We'll try that. See how we feel. Next is a lipstick. I'll Bring Dessert. This is from Belle in Argent. I don't know. I can't pronounce it. I'm not going to try to pronounce it. Let's see. That's the shade. Ooh, it's creamy. Very creamy. It smells like crayons. It smells like a crayon. It literally smells like a crayon. Whatever. All right, next we have Cella eyeliner. See, I've gotten brow products from them. Don't do this at home, guys. Oof. Oof. Arr. 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 Max says hello, everybody. Y'all, I am really struggling to get this open. Right? I feel the same way about getting this open. And I swear to God, if I open it and it's a color I don't use, do you know how mad I'm going to be? Alright, so it's a felt tip pen. It's brown. Ew, it's really liquid. I feel the same way right now. Alright, so that's it. Clearly Mac wants to say hello. Let's bring him up. It is bleeding, by the way. Okay, we're going to keep opening. Next up we have eye mask. Okay, finally, something I'm somewhat excited about. All right, get down. Get down, puppy. Okay, so MAC, that's enough. We have 2 eye masks. This, like literally, not just like one pair of 2, like we have 2. This is by K&G MAC. This is a K&C Beauty all natural retinol infused eye mask. And like it's weird because the packaging is white and then the description is bright freaking yellow. Did I only get 4 items? Eyeliner, brush, lipstick, glow tonic, and 2 eye masks. Okay. All right, you need to get down. You're being ridiculous. Okay, next. We're going to go into a box I've never done on camera before. This is Nadine West. Okay, it is a clothing subscription. I don't want to lie to you and be like, oh, you don't pay. I don't remember exactly how much you pay. I think it's $10 a month or $10 a package, and then that goes towards your purchase. I think. I'm 99% sure. I've been with them for so long that fee is now waived. That's sad. Ooh, I need help. Okay, so it comes in a big pink package like this. You can get dresses, you can get sweaters, you can get shirts, you can get shorts, you can get yoga pants, and jewelry. I've never gotten anything besides leggings and shorts, so I don't know if they have a dressier option. And disclaimer, I have gone through this already. This is full of things I'm not keeping, and I'll go into why. First up is this 3/4 sleeve top and like a brownish color and black. I'm not keeping that for so many reasons, one of which being vertical stripes do not look good on my body type. Also, I don't wear brown. They could just, it doesn't look good with my skin tone. Next up are these hot pink yoga, leggings. I'm not keeping these because I don't like the shade hot pink. I don't wear hot pink. I'm not a hot pink person. I'm not a pink person. I don't like pink. Now, these I did debate on. These are some plaid joggers. They're really cute. They looked really good on my butt. And it also comes with your price sheet. I just, in my head, I was like, is this worth $23 for something I'm probably only going to wear around the house? Because I know me. I'll only wear them around the house. So I'm not keeping them. Next up, we have this pretty adorable white shirt. And then, yeah. I'm not keeping it because I don't wear white. Plain and simple. Now, it also came with 3 earrings. As you can see, I don't change my earrings. I don't change my necklace. I wear the same ring. So. Okay, these are the rose pearl earrings. They are $9.99. They are really cute. I won't wear them. I know me. I've kept earrings from them one time. And that was it. I'm just not I don't like to switch up my earrings. I like what I like, and that's it. Okay, next we have actually a really cute pair of hoops. And these are $14.99. And then next we have for $15.99 these little studs. I mean, it comes with cute stuff jewelry wise. I don't change my jewelry enough. I should, but I don't. So that is what is in my Nadine West bag. Usually I will keep a few items. This week, I get it every 2 weeks. You can set it up to where you get it every 2 weeks. And usually I also fold things and put it back, but I'm feeling lazy right now. So yeah, you can set it up for every 2 weeks or every month. I get it every 2 weeks, and those just aren't me. Plain and simple. All right, next up we have BoxyCharm. I have actually already taken my knife and opened it. See? But I don't know what I have. You ready? Okay, so I saw in the spoiler you could get the Pharmacy face cleanser. I don't even know what it is. Or the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. But it's the Coco Cabana one, the blue one, and I haven't tried that, so. Why is it every time there's a variation with BoxyCharm, I get my hopes up and I'm like, oh, I hope I get that. I hope I get that. I never freaking get it. First thing we see, the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser. An ultra gentle facial cleansing gel that washes away surface oil, impurities, pollution residue, and makeup while nourishing your skin with honey and hyaluronic acid. Use morning and night. I'm going to give this away. I'm not going to use it. I have what works for my skin right now. I've also started taking Halo. I don't want to risk trying something new like this, or maybe I'll just save it. I don't know. But trying something new while starting Halo and then like maybe something happening to my face and me not knowing what it is. This I knew I was getting. This is the No Problem Primer by Touch and Soul. Top secret for perfect makeup. Let's see. Ooh. That's what it looks like. It feels kind of almost like an oil. Weird. I like it though. I like it. Okay. Oh, this theme this month is Afterglow, by the way. I like that. Okay. Everyone got the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I've never tried it. Oh, that's a lie. I have tried it. It's not my favorite thing on the planet. It's not the worst thing on the planet. Next, we have the Tristique Prime and Color Lip Glaze in the shade English. Oh, there's primer at the bottom. Yeah, it feels really hydrating. Oh, that is the cutest thing ever. Okay, so that I'm actually excited about. Look. Found one thing I'm excited about. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I will use that. Oh, it's a magnet. I like that. That's high quality. And now we have the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter. That is what it looks like. So it's like a more on the natural side glow. Okay. Not the worst box ever, but it's nothing I'm really like, ooh, yay, I'm so excited. Just kind of like, I'm here, it's here. Okay. Funny story with this. Now, when I got this, I didn't read the box. Apparently, I thought I had a stalker because I just came home really tired from work and I opened it and I was like, what the hell? Who sends me this? It's from an influencer. Oh, this is a massive unboxing, guys. Also, this was buried underneath everything, so I had no idea who this was from, and I was really creeped out. Alright, so, this is called the Galentine's voxbox. We have the Queen glitter spray for your hair, which I did use. some glitter in my hair. Is it falling out? No, but it's all over my hand. Okay, so this is actually really cool. It's really pretty. It's argan oil and silver glitter. So you can put it on your hair or body. It's all over my shirt. Next, Pretty Vulgar Black Swan Faux Reals mascara. I kind of like that one. It's kind of like the Better Than Sex one. I don't, however, like how that's all the product that comes off. Like, ready? Like, I really got to push to get that off, but if I'm just going... I'll try it tomorrow and we'll find out. Alright. Next, we have the Eva NYC Therapy Session Hair Mask. It is sealed. It's always a good sign. I have mascara all over my hand. I don't know why I did that. Legit, no idea. She's like, hey, this seems like a good idea. And I'm sorry I didn't upload Wednesday, guys. We're getting ready for Mardi Gras down here, so it's been a little hectic. But I'm here and I'm back. Okay, so this is Nature Box 100% cold pressed oil, avocado oil body wash. Okay, are you cruelty free? Ah, you are. Sweet. I'm actually excited about that. Now, last but not least, we have the Nature's Bounty Goodnight Lovely vitamins. This supports a good night's sleep and overnight skin hydration with melatonin and hyaluronic acid. Are these candies or pills? They look like candies. There's 70 in here, by the way. Oh, those are vitamins. They have that good vitamins. Have that good vitamins now. Okay. All right, so that is my influencer voxbox. Say goodbye to the people. Say goodbye. Here, let's just go ahead. Come on. Thank you guys for watching me and my pet parrot Mac. We'll see you guys next time. Now I have to censor out your butthole. No one wants to take time to censor your butthole. Bye, guys.